My name is Bob Dick, and I live in Oregon Township, Wisconsin. We've owned the land here for 30 years. I spent a lot of time with contour maps, looking for a south-facing hill and then going out to see if I could buy it. Our previous house was in a woods, and there was impossible to put solar panels on it. And so I've always thought I wanted them. I want them not only for the conservation reason, but also to save on energy cost. I had been interviewing solar installation companies for quite some time, and I could never find anybody that was interested in a ground mount where the panels were all strung out one high. And All Energy Solar was the only one that even considered it. The other companies were really tied into roof mount stuff. All Energy Solar did a really good job of communicating and understanding what I was trying to put together. I believe that All Energy Solar did some engineering of my system over and above what the normal cookie cutter installation would be. And I wanted the solar panels to be level so that they would fit in with the profile of the house. And as we noticed when we were out there, those panels are all in perfect alignment. So they did a really great job with that. I was really proud of that. Well, my overall experience with solar was just perfect. I mean, you put this stuff in to generate electricity and to reduce your electric bill. And if it does that, that's what you're after. And this was doing that right from the start. Not only would I recommend it, but I have recommended All Energy Solar to other people. I thought that All Energy Solar provided service that was over and above what I expected.